them in here.
Oh, my battery's going. This is the college litter, 5 weeks and 1 day, in the new puppy pen, which they think is awesome. Blackie's got the toy. Oh, shake it. Yeah, you tell that toy. Orange beating up her brothers as usual. Where's Pinky? Oh, there she is. Pinky has one ear up. A couple of the others have been trying, but still needs the progress. Mom! Orange in the big bucket. These guys are a lot of fun. Everyone else is home this weekend for Easter. I'm home for puppies. Yeah, that's your mom. Weasel's like, don't talk to me. I'm busy. Obviously, we could use a little practice on the itching front. Wonder how long it'll take them to pull that white blanket all the way out. Guys, you're mucking up all the blankets. Hi, Greenie. How are you, man? I think the bunny with its long legs is going to be a hit. The question is, will the bunny survive? Look at him. Oh, Greenie's in the crate again. White and yellow are checking out the bowl. I think Orange is plotting escape. Whoa, go Pink. Oop, someone back in the crate. What's that? I think that's black. Oh no, black's over there. That's blue. Blue and white. Oh, never mind, yellow and white. Alright, so I can't identify colors. Hi, Yellow. Why, you don't like the camera? You can tell it to go away, yeah? Who's big and tough? Is that you? You big tough puppy? Yeah, look at your wagging tail. Look at that tail. It's just, I like people. Hi, Blue. Hi, baby Blue. With her hound dog ears. When are your ears gonna come up? This soon. I'm thinking about it.